What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Christian Fraser Decade Model Batch 2. This Kendama just arrived at my door today, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. This was just released the weekend of NAKL, which was October 2nd to the 4th, I believe. And this is batch 2 of the Decade model. I'm very excited to open this Kendama, so without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I got my knife right here. So if you didn't know, the Decade model batch 1 was sort of like a Japanese whiskey inspiration to it. But this batch 2 has a coffee theme to it, and you will see that once I open it. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Oops. I have the receipt here. I got the C. Fraser Legend Model Batch 2 in cushion clear paint. Not a cheap Kendama, that's for sure. But it's well worth it. This is the packaging. Really nice packaging, similar to Batch 1. This Kendama is very good for slingers, taps, and juggles because there is no base cup hole, unlike Batch 1. Batch 1 was heavy on lunar tricks, but this is more taps, slingers, and juggles. Yeah. That's basically the packaging. So let's get to opening it. Before we look at the Kendama, let's see what else is inside. Got an extra string and bearing. Got a sweet sticker. Some information on the bottom, on the back. Some more sweet stickers. Decade mod themed. There's little mini Kendama stickers, which is pretty cool. Very coffee colored. And let's see the Kendama. Wow, this one is really cool. Like I said, heavily inspired on coffee. It's like a coffee bubble print. Nice gradient with a tracking dot on the top. Then the Ken. Let's see what's in the box. I forgot what kind of wood. So apparently, let's see. Oh, for the Ken. The Ken is beech, walnut in the middle, the stripe, maple on the bottom, maple for the rest over here. But the Tama is what is interesting. Walnut on the top. You can't see it, but it's underneath the paint. So there's like different layers of wood. Cherry right here, and then there's a stripe in the middle. Wenge. Cherry after that. And I think this is beech on the bottom right here. And like I said, there's no base cup hole. Instead, it says Decade mod right here. And this should be like a 6-finger string, which is what I like. Let's see if it's still good for liners. Still pretty good for lunars. But slings and Ken flips and juggles, those should be really nice. Yep. Yeah, so that does it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Christian Fraser Decade Mod Batch 2 Kendama. Super excited to get some tricks with this in the near future. If you want to see tricks that I post, follow my Instagram page at micah.chin, and make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new here, and comment down below more video ideas, as I'm trying to post more Kendama every single week. So hope you guys stay for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.